Today, we're diving into one of the most asked about topics in the SMA community, Zolgensma. This isn't just a treatment, it's a breakthrough that's giving many families new hope. But with new hope comes questions, and that's exactly what we're here to answer. So, what is Zolgensma? Zolgensma is a one-time gene therapy that targets the genetic root cause of SMA. It works by delivering a functional copy of the SMM1 gene, the gene that's missing or mutated in people with SMA, through a single infusion. It's designed to replace what the body's missing. Think of it as a genetic reset, helping motor neurons function as they should. Now, who's eligible? Zolgensma is FDA approved for children under the age of 2 with any type of SMA, including those who haven't yet shown symptoms. That's right, even pre-symptomatic babies can benefit from this treatment. And as we all know with SMA, earlier is always better. Why is timing so important? Because once motor neurons die, they can't be brought back. Early treatment can preserve these cells and protect a child's physical development before irreversible damage happens. Is it a cure? Here's the truth, Zolgensma is not a cure in the traditional sense. While it can slow or even halt progression and lead to amazing milestones, like sitting, crawling, or walking, people with SMA may still face challenges. Supportive care and therapy often remain part of life after treatment. So what are the benefits? In many cases, children who receive Zolgensma early experience stronger motor skills, better breathing and feeding, and greater independence than they otherwise might have had. Some have even hit developmental milestones that once felt out of reach. But what about side effects? Like any powerful treatment, Zolgensma comes with risks. Some children experience liver inflammation, vomiting, or lowered platelet levels. Because of this, doctors monitor liver function closely with blood tests and may prescribe steroids to reduce inflammation and help the body adjust. What happens before and after treatment? Before the infusion, blood work is done to set a baseline. Afterward, families follow a monitoring schedule with frequent blood tests and a steroid regimen, usually lasting several weeks. This is essential to help ensure a safe and effective outcome. Can Zolgensma be used with other treatments like Spinraza or Evrysdi? Usually, no. Zolgensma is designed to be a one-time solution. However, in some rare cases, doctors may consider other treatments if symptoms progress after Zolgensma. It's a case-by-case decision that should always involve an experienced medical team. Is it available everywhere? Zolgensma is approved in many countries including the US, Canada, Japan, and across Europe. But accessibility varies widely depending on regulations and healthcare systems. If you're outside the US, speak with local SMA support groups or physicians to explore your options. Let's talk cost. Zolgensma is known for its price, over $2 million for a single dose. But many insurance providers, along with assistance programs, help cover the cost. Don't let the sticker shock stop you from exploring it. Financial support is available. What if a child is already on another SMA treatment? It's possible to transition to Zolgensma, but it's not simple. Your neurologist will need to assess the benefits and risks. Some children have switched successfully, but others may be better off continuing their current treatment. What's the long-term outlook? Early results are promising. Children treated early often experience fewer hospitalizations and greater mobility. But since this is a newer treatment, long-term effects are still being studied. Ongoing checkups and support are still essential. What kind of support exists for families? Organizations like Cure SMA and SMA Europe are excellent places to start. They offer resources, emotional support, and financial guidance. And the manufacturer also provides patient liaisons to help navigate insurance, appointments, and follow-ups. Here's the bottom line. Zolgensma isn't magic, but it is powerful. It's not the end of the journey, but it could be the start of a better one. With knowledge, support, and early intervention, families affected by SMA have more tools than ever before to fight back. If this video helped you, please consider liking, commenting, and sharing with someone in your community. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest and hopeful conversations about life with SMA. Together, we're making awareness louder and change possible.